Hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a well-known person is here, and I have known her for the last 1 year in different WhatsApp groups. Today, and she is with us. She is Preeti from Maharashtra, and now she is going to introduce herself. Then we will have a small conversation regarding English communication. Okay, please, madam, please introduce yourself. Yeah.
Hi, good evening. My name is Preeti Thakur. I'm living in Maharashtra and I'm working in logistics field.
Oh, you're from Maharashtra. You're working in a logistic
Yes,
department.
right. Yes. I'm working in
Okay,
logistics in
madam.
document.
How long time
I had,
working as an employee?
yeah, I had working last 2 years in the same company.
Okay, you have been working in that company or logistic department for the last 2 years. Okay, nice. Since how long time have you been practicing communication skills and English skills? Yeah, how long time have you been practicing? And
I had started practice in the last 2, 3 years before. I'm still going on in
yeah, yeah.
practice.
Are you comfortable? Are you confident now? Because you have been practicing, but due to lack of time, due to lack of good platform, and we are not able to speak that much. But one thing, and how is your English learning journey, and what are the difficulties you are facing, and how you feel when you are talking new persons like me? Because I'm not new person to you, okay? Because we have been conversation on different platforms. Okay, okay. So how do you feel when you are talking with new persons and because English is not our mother tongue, it's not our okay, it's a foreign language. And how do you feel, and what are the difficulties and you are facing? Please share your experience in learning English language. Yeah.
Yes. Actually, my mother tongue is Marathi language because I belong from Maharashtra. But I noticed if you have to be communicate regularly in a language, so you have to be get a fluency. And in this days, I couldn't find out any statements. I can be speak any person, any department, any person in any field, any country, to fluently because of I increased my confidence level. Since I couldn't get a time too much, but I give a regularly communicate someone 5 or 10 minutes. And before period, I communicate 6 or 7 hours in last 1 year. But in this days, I'm busy for my official work, so I can't be get too much free time. But language, it is a simple, if you have to be started your journey, so you have to be continue and regularly you have to be learn different words, different phrases, and you have to be continuously is mandatory. If you have to continue communicate any person, any countries, yeah, any our local person, so definitely you have to learn this language easily. It's no nothing any too much big task.
Been practicing. You are using your time at least 1 hour or half an hour for every day, isn't it?
Yes, right. Yes, I had
Yeah.
practicing. I'm listening some clubhouses when I'm working, my office, and when I'm traveling 1 or 2 hours regularly. That time I'm also learning, reading something English. And if you have to be do the regular practice of 4 skills, learning, writing, and reading and communicating, so definitely you have to achieve the goal. Everyone has achieved the goal. It's not a big task. It's easy way method.
Okay. Have you taken any coaching for your communication skills? Have you gone to any institution to get fluency in English language?
No. I'm not going to anywhere. Actually, my schedule is too much busy. I had married and I have 2 kids
Oh
also.
yeah.
So I couldn't get a time to be moved to
Oh,
the
you are.
English class. So I communicate in the different platform like WhatsApp group and some clubhouses and some Snapchat, etc. So I get a fluency. It's a simple
Okay,
way to
fine.
be learned,
Yes.
and everyone can be learned easily. It's in these days it's available lots of platform in a different places. So you have to be start your journey. So many applications are freely available in Play Store. You can download this application and you have to communicate. to any person. You can understand the culture. You have to understand the different countries' culture, different persons' languages. We don't know the mother tongue of this person in another country, but the help of the English language, it's international language, we can be easily communicate it and easily understand the culture, traditions, everything with foreign people also.
Yes,
Um,
madam. Nowadays,
if you have to
nowadays,
learn this language.
yeah. Yes, madam. Being a housewife, being an employee in a company, but you are trying to learn English language. You are using your time. I think you are in this moment. You are traveling by bus.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
right.
That's the
Exactly.
spirit, man. That's the spirit. Because even though you are traveling in the bus, you are trying to learn something. You are trying to give some idea. You are giving some inspiration to others, and that is the reason. And one who wants to learn English language, they have to use every minute. Even traveling also we can make conversation. Even traveling also we can learn something. Even traveling also we can share our knowledge. So in this
Yes,
way you
right.
learn. So that and if anybody
Yeah.
follow your suggestion, they can learn English very easily. Okay, thank you, madam, for your great, wonderful suggestion and meeting with me.
Thank
And
you so
also
much.
and
Thank you so much. Have a
thank you
nice
for
day.
your sparing your time and sparing some time with me. And thank you. See you later, madam. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be communicate with you and to also give us some time to communication. Thanks. Have a
Okay.
nice
Thank you,
day.
madam. See you later. Bye. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.